Yeah, baby, I'm a natural. Chef Mike on the move. Watch out, everyone.
Wow, they look amazing.
Just you wait.
I'm so excited.
I was actually a little nervous about this, you know? The us part of it, being out here without any distractions.
And how are we doing so far, Mr. Prepared?
Better than I expected. It's quiet. I realized I don't feel the need to fill the silence when I'm with you. Sarah, look! A shooting star!
I see it. It is so beautiful.
Hurry up! Make a wish before it fades! So what did you wish?
I wished something for both of us, but I can't tell you what it is. It's getting late. We should get some sleep.